Definition: bandaging is a fundamental medical practice that involves the application of a fabric or material typically in the form of strip to an area of the body, often covering a wound or injury. Bandages can vary in size, material, and purpose, and these serve several important functions in the realm of healthcare. Bandages can be simple adhesive strips, elastic wraps, or specialized dressings designed to address specific medical needs. Purpose: the primary purpose of bandaging is to provide support, protection, and sometimes a compression to an injured or affected area. Equipments, materials: triangle bandage, scrappy bandage. Apply the end of the bandage to the part of the body to be bandaged. Encircle the body part a few times or as needed, each turn directly covering the previous turn. Then, secure the end of the bandage with tipped metal clips or a safety pin over an injured area. So, diri na sa bako mag-end niya, then i-secure na ko ang ihang end sa area na mag-cover ang injured niya, dili matanggal. Bandaging procedures: spiral turns. Make 2 circles. Turn to begin the bandage. Continue spiral turns at 30 degrees. Padayon naghapon ako sa kuan sa iyahang turn 30 degrees. Next is another duha na sabka tuyok. Then end na ang ako ang kuan. End na ang akong, to make sure na ang ihang kuan last is hikot jud. Begin the bandage with 2 circle turns and bring the bandage upward at about 30 degrees angle. So, mag-turn ako ng duha ka then i-apply na sab na ko ang 30 degrees Place the thumb of the free hand on the upper edge of the bandage. Unroll the bandage about 4 to 6, then turn the hands so that the bandage is folded down. Continue the bandage around the limb, overlapping its previous turn by 2/3 width of the bandage. Make each bandage turn at the same position. Same position on the limb so that the turns of the bandage will be aligned. So, naa siya sa na-align siya. Then, terminate the bandage with 2 circle turns and secure the end of described for circular turns. This is the spiral reverse turns. Spiral reverse turns. Procedure steps. Procedure steps. The figure of it. Begin the bandage with 2 circle turns. One. 2. Then, carry the bandage above the joint. Above the joint, around it, and then below it, making a figure 8 continue. So, ako siya himo na figure 8. Above the below to join in overlapping the previous turn by 2 to 3 width of the bandage. 2 to 3 the bandage. Then, terminate the bandage above the joint with 2 circle turns and secure the end appropriately. So, mag-end na ako 1, then 2. Tanga na dahil na ako siya og panglock. To secure the bandage, the injured is safe. 8 figure of 8. Begin the bandage of 2 circle. 1, 2. Then, carry the bandage above the joint, around it, and then below it, making a figure 8. So, formahon ako siya og 8. Above and below joint overlapping the previous torn by 2/3 width of the bandage. 2/3 of the bandage. So mag-end na ako din siya sa join, below the join. Okay. The figure of it, begin the bandage with 2 circle gihapon. 1, para siya secured og mga lock kibali dili siya makuan. 1, 2. Bago mo siya iporma og it figure. Then, ilibot na ko siya kaduha or katulo sa may above the join niya. Duha para sa end niya. Tulo. Kung na dahil siya ilak. The 8 figure of it.